Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Fluid Technologies. Today I am going to introduce you the Apple iPad Pro 11. It's 256 GB and with 8 GB RAM, and it's 9 core CPU with this new M4. So I'm going to unbox it and let you know what is in the box and what is included in this box. So let me unbox it. Okay, this is the brand new iPad M4. It's with 256 GB memory. It's Wi-Fi model. There's two different models with Wi-Fi, and the other model is Wi-Fi LTE model. You can put same in that model. This model is with Wi-Fi. And let it unbox. So this is the new iPad. There's a change in camera here, and the processor is upgrade from M2, and this is 256 GB. There's little bit change in this camera, and this magic points are also changed in this model. The previous magic keyboard is not working with it. There is a change in also in magic keyboard. I will discuss it later in the next video. So let me unbox. There is a book. With this we have manual. We have stickers, manuals. And you can read this in this manual. And the other things are with it this charging cable, USB 1 meter in this box, and there is a 20-watt charger type C with it. So this is the video about this iPad Pro. Let me power it on. It's power on. And this is this new iPad Pro 11. Good performance. I will make a next video about it on my channel and brief you about the other things with it. So subscribe my channel and like and subscribe the channel.